occasion, I would like to invite Mr. Tao Zhou, Regional Sales Manager. Please give a big round of applause to welcome.
Saudi Krab. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tao Zhou. I'm from JOUAV Automation Technology Corporation Limited. It's my great honor to be here to join this UAV dealer talk held by Systronics and to be a speaker. Today, I'd like to take this chance to give a further quick introduction about JOUAV and then share about the industrial UAV development and share about the industrial UAV development and outlook. So JOUAV is a professional industrial UAV supplier. We founded in 2010, and we are committed to be the global leader of industrial UAV supplier. Till now, we developed over 5,000 sets of UAV to the customer from 45 countries. And our main product including two parts. The first one is the autopilot or flight control system. We have developed the flight control system for almost all types of UAV, and those products are widely used in the manned aircraft scale model test flight, as well as the famous university laboratories. The second part is the video fixed wing UAV. We developed almost 10 series of video fixed wing UAV, and those UAV can cover over 80% of conventional application scenarios. In 2021, our company has successfully listed in the Chinese A-share capital market, and we used the raised money to build a global advanced UAV manufacturing base in Chengdu City. This base has 3,700 sets of annual production ability. And at here, we cover the whole UAV business chain, including R&D, manufacturing, assembly, payload integration, training, as well as technical service. Now, JOUAV has become one of the business cards of Chengdu City. So if any one of you go to Chengdu, you are more than welcome to visit JOUAV after you see the panda and eat the Sichuan hot pot. Okay, next I want to share the development of industrial UAV and the outlook. Actually, mainly from the perspective of China's UAV industry, the industrial UAV has multiple types. But today, I would like to focus on the fixed wing UAV because this type of UAV can typically describe the UAV development process. So before 2010, I would like to call this period as the pre-industrial UAV era. So during this period, we have the good enough information and communication technologies, and we combined it together with the electrical motor and battery and created small industrial UAV. This is the industrial UAV application in the Wenchuan earthquake happened in 2008. Actually, this earthquake happened in my hometown, Sichuan province. And from here you can see they use quite small industrial UAV. And during the whole flight process, they use the flight control to guide the UAV to fly. This drone looks quite primitive, but it did great help to the search and rescue. And after that, the government and companies realized the importance of the industrial UAV. So from 2010 to 2020, the UAV experienced great revolution. I call this industrial UAV 1.0 era. Okay, during this period, you can see we have multiple type of industrial UAV, but the way of operation is quite various. So the main format is skidding, takeoff, and landing. But this format need a long and flat runway to take off and land, which is quite picky for the operation place. So many companies also want to get rid of the runway, so they developed many other ways to take off the drone, such as hand throw, catapult takeoff, or parachute, or net catch landing. Yeah. In 2015, JOUAV published the first vertical takeoff and landing fixed-wing UAV in China. So we combined the traditional fixed-wing UAV and multicopter together, and it realized 100% full automatical operation. So this drone became famous quickly in the industry of UAV, and after that, more and more VTOL fixed-wing UAV were created by the other companies. Yeah. There are differences between each other, but they are all VTOL. And by 2020, most of the fixed-wing UAV are VTOL type. So the industrial UAV format has been finally decided. Yeah. And from 2021 to 2023, I'd like to call this period as Industrial UAV 2.0 era. And during this period, the application of UAV has two features, which are networking and intelligence. Okay. So this picture shows the typical application scenarios of the firefighting with the UAV. It is different from the previous application. The video stream captured by the UAV doesn't stop at the ground control station. Yeah. It is required to be shared to the remote command center and mobile terminals in real time through 4G, 5G, fiber network, and even satellite. So this can achieve a more efficient collaboration. Yeah. Okay, next about the intelligence. First is the hardware intelligence. So you can feel that the UAV application is smarter and smarter, especially the hangar system or the dock system has been published since 2022. And this is the JOAC 2000 hangar system published by JOUAV. It came out just for a short time, but we can totally see the wide prospect because it is so convenient and it can be used easily in large scale. Yeah. Okay. Intelligence not only happens to hardware, but also to the software data management. This picture shows the data management for oil pipeline surveillance. And this is not a single 2D map. It's more like summary data by many times of comparison. Yeah. So it contains all of the important information in here, such as the abnormal point, the illegal activities, and the facility conditions. Yeah. Another intelligence is about artificial intelligence. So this is a short video about the UAV to do the power line corridor surveillance. The video stream has been sent back to the ground terminal, and we use an AI software to do quick process. So after that, they export this kind of video. You can see we have the vision enhancement for the power line, and it can identify the building automatically. So this can significantly increase the data analysis efficiency. Yeah. So through the UAV industrial UAV 2.0 era, we can see that the UAV application is smarter and smarter, and this industry developed quite rapidly. But what's the next? How this industry will continue? I would like to see its clustering, or large-scale operation, or group operation. Okay, so this picture is like a simple outlook structure for the industrial UAV in the future. I divide the system to 4 layers: the display layer for interaction, the application layer for demand input, the platform layer for UAV dispatch and data summary, and the service layer for UAV operation and data processing. So the demands from other industries can be input into the application layer. It's a software layer, and this layer will distribute the demand to the UAV cloud platform, which can dispatch the UAV to do the specific job, such as mapping, surveillance, cargo delivery, and so on. And after the operation, the acquired data or the mission result can be directly sent to the UAV platform to be summarized and then feedback to the application layer again. And all this process can be interacted and monitored from the display layer. Actually, this is a simple structure, but the whole system is quite complicated. Yeah. And to achieve this system, it requires a lot of preconditions. Here I listed 4 of the main expected situations happen for clustering UAV application. Since we want to use the UAV in large scale, in group, so it means that many UAV will fly at the same time and frequently. So a good UAV policy is quite necessary for the UAV application. We need scientific and easy policy for the airworthiness. And we need a simple application for the airspace. Yeah. And also for the industry, for the layer, for the upper software layer, the display and the application and UAV cloud layer, we need it to be created and upgraded for all of the industries so that the whole system can operate properly. And at last, we need to create typical application scenarios to make people feel that the UAV is so closely related to our lives. Actually, I can feel we need quite a long time to achieve this target, but I believe this is the trend, and it's only a matter of time. Yeah. So that's all I want to share with you today. And finally, I want to take this chance to say thank you for our clients, like every one of you here today. Thank you for choosing the JOUAV product. And I also want to say thank you for Mr. Yong and the whole Systronics team. Actually, we've been cooperating for over 5 years. And for sure, we will continue our deep cooperation to better serve every one of you. Thank you.
Please give a big hand for Mr. Tao Zhou.